I bring you warm greetings from the government and people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and express our appreciation to every institution represented here for your unwavering commitment to advancing agricultural science and innovation across our continent. History teaches us a profound lesson. Nations do not transform their agriculture merely because they possess fertile lands or fertile soils, favorable climates, or abundant natural resources. They transform their agriculture because they invest in knowledge.
To the glory of God, for the progress of Africa and Africans. To the glory of God.